All right, here we go. This is Jura, Sherman Max, putting him into shipping mode. Beeper is on the outside so we can hear it nice and loud, and toggle switch to shut the beeper on and off. Turn them on. Hold down this button until you get to the first menu, because if you hold it down longer, then it'll go to your advanced menu. This is blinking. This is in the first menu. We're going to push this until we see sleep. Then we're going to push this a few times to see how many times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There we go. 9 times. Now it says sleep 9. It is balancing. We're going to turn it off. And we're going to turn it back on. Check to see if he's really in. Yep. He is now in shipping mode. No longer balancing, no longer turning on. And then to turn him back on, you just plug him in. All right. Don't fall. Good baby.